My name is Tony Angelo, and I'm a YouTuber. I have never driven an Aztek before. I have been, what's the opposite of a fan?
This car has always stood out to me as being like the most wretched design of all time. And I love stuff that's just out there and outwardly terrible and just overtly insane. So I'm in for the, like, he was like, we're racing Azteks. I was like, I'm on the plane.
Based on my inability to take it easy in all things, I think probably pretty bad.
Tony Angelo runs into a big stump going through one of the ruts.
I do think I got a pretty good one. Mine seems to run really well. It's somewhat low miles. The AC's busted, which is a bummer, but generally it's a pretty solid looking car.
The right front bumper, corner, and fender are all mashed up on it.
But it seems cool. I will race anything. So, you know, it could be 2 carousel horses out there. I would try to ride one.
Come on!